Okay, yo, I'm gonna pull the fire alarm, right? Let's go. Yes. Let me get out. I saw what you did. Oh, get out of here. Hey, what's disgusting? Oh, stop it. Put me out at PT. Shut up. Alright. A fire drill. Bubba G. Ooh. Bro, the fire alarm's off. Oh, let me eat my spaghetti. Yes, let's go. There's a fire drill. Okay, Jamal. Wait, Jamal, what's going on? Okay, Jamie. Come on, Jamie. Okay, Jamiana. Jamal. What do you want, Jamal? Okay, stop with the Jamal. Oh, there's a fire. There's a fire. You need to cool down. Wait. Need to go outside. Yes, Jamal. Oh, what was that noise? Oh, nothing. Huh? Why did I hear an alarm? The alarm is not even burning. Oh, we need to stop moaning with this. Attention students and teachers. This is on fire drills. Someone just pulled the fire alarm. You may go back in your class. My name is Jamie. Oh, okay. No, your name is Gary, like Gary the Snail. Stop bullying me, Jamal. Stop calling me Jamal. He's Jamal. Hello, big Jamal. Fat Jamal. Alright, let's go back into our class. Start with the Jamal. Okay, I will start with the Mr. Jamal. Hey, you need to go to the office. Okay, girl. What the heck did you just call me? I call you a baby girl. What the heck? I saw what you did. You just pulled the fire alarm, Gary. I didn't do it. Bro, what the heck? Give me my glasses. What happened? Why you have the same name like me, nerd? Don't call me a nerd and stop being so mean. And why did you pull the fire alarm? Here's Mr. Duo. Mr. Duo is dead. How? No, he's not. Here's Mr. Duo. Duolingo. Ouch. Hey, come here. Bye, Gary. Bye. Okay, bye. Not you. That one. Why do you have the same name? Oh, everyone has the same name. Okay, bye. Hey, you were the only one who pulled the fire alarm. Then what are you gonna do about it, old man? Don't even call me an old man. I'm sorry. You were the only one. Now you're expelled. Now I don't want to go to jail. Hey, what you doing? Bro, why is this man acting like that? And why have a tail on my